Double-hung Windows Rockford installation, IEL, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of double-hung window styles available, residents can select designs that complement their home's architecture while benefiting from improved ventilation and ease of cleaning. Professional double-hung window installers in Rockford ensure a seamless installation process, providing peace of mind and long-lasting results. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for Rockford homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Insulated double-hung windows in Rockford offer superior thermal performance, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. By choosing energy-efficient double-hung windows, Rockford residents can enjoy lower utility bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Vinyl double-hung windows Rockford Illinois are a durable and low-maintenance option for those seeking affordable window solutions. These windows resist warping, cracking, and fading, making them an excellent choice for the Rockford climate. Vinyl double-hung windows Rockford Illinois provide a cost-effective way to enhance curb appeal and increase property value. Custom window solutions in Rockford cater to homeowners with unique design preferences or specific functional requirements. Whether you need custom double-hung window solutions, Rockford for a historic home or a modern build, local window contractors can create tailored options that meet your needs. Custom windows ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. Window Replacement Rockford services offer a comprehensive approach to upgrading your home's windows. From double-hung window glass replacement Rockford to complete window frame repair, these services address all aspects of window maintenance and improvement. Rockford double-hung window replacement experts provide detailed consultations and installation quotes to help homeowners make informed decisions. Double-hung window maintenance. Rockford is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular upkeep, such as cleaning and lubricating window tracks, ensures smooth operation and prevents damage. Double-hung window maintenance services in Rockford can extend the life of your windows and maintain their aesthetic appeal. Affordable double-hung windows. Rockford options are available for budget-conscious homeowners seeking quality without breaking the bank. Local window contractors offer a range of affordable window options that do not compromise on style or performance. By choosing cost-effective solutions, Rockford residents can enjoy the benefits of new windows without financial strain. Window repair services in Rockford address common issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. Double-hung window repair, Rockford IL specialists provide prompt and efficient solutions to restore your windows to their original condition. With professional repair services, homeowners can avoid the expense of full window replacement. Residential window services in Rockford encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to repair and maintenance. Double-hung window experts Rockford IL provide comprehensive services tailored to the needs of local homeowners. By choosing residential double-hung windows Rockford services, residents can ensure their windows are in top condition year-round.